What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, I did get the Galaxy S10e, I got the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I got the regular Galaxy S10. So if you guys do want to see extended coverage on any of those devices, definitely hit the notification bell as well as subscribing. So first and foremost, I got the 128GB version of the Galaxy S10 Plus. This is going to be the unlocked version as well, and as you guys know, with 128GB, that comes with the 8GB RAM version. So this phone is going to have 8GB of RAM, which is absolutely insane, but you guys can go all the way up to 1TB of memory, and that is going to bring you the 12GB of RAM phone. That is just a behemoth that absolutely no one needs. But let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright guys, so the color that I actually got is Prism Blue. So I actually wanted the white color, but I guess I had a change of heart. Mostly because they actually didn't have white when I went to Best Buy, so I just got the blue. But we have the phone on top, obviously, straight away. Very, very big in the hand. Comparing the size to our Galaxy S10e right here, as you guys can see, it's much bigger. But let's go ahead and put these phones to the side and take a look at the rest of the stuff. So first and foremost, we have our travel adapter. Next, we have our USB type A to USB type C, so you guys can go ahead and use this for data transferring or really anything else you need it for. We next have our USB type C cable right here. And the next thing was actually stuck in this little box right here. And what is it? Another box. So we have the SIM ejector tool right here. And if we actually open up the top, that is going to hold, I believe, our quick start guide. I saw this in the S10e and the S10. And yes, this is going to be the start guide in English and I believe in Spanish as well as French. So if you guys need to fall asleep again, just like I said in every other video, definitely read this before bed. And last but not least, we have our AKG headphones. And finally, we get to the good stuff. Now, this is going to be the Prism Blue color, but let's go ahead and take this off really quick. So starting off, this color actually looks really good. Really sexy looking color. The Prism Blue kind of goes from a lighter to darker blue, which is actually really nice on the eyes, and it looks super dope, honestly, in my opinion. I'm definitely glad that I got this color. I was thinking about getting the white, but they only had the blue, so I copped the blue. Now, first and foremost, on the back, we have the triple rear camera setup, as you guys saw in previous reviews. This is going to host our 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture camera, our 12 megapixel dual pixel f1.5 and f2.4 aperture camera, and we are also going to have a 12 megapixel f2.4 aperture camera as well. To the right of that, we're also going to have our flash. And on the back, it's pretty plain. We have our Samsung logo, just how I like it. And at the bottom, we're also going to have our Galaxy S10 Plus logo. Right side of the device, we do have our power button, and just know that there is going to be a plastic lining around the whole chassis of the phone. I know I was watching Simple Alpaca's unboxing, and he didn't know what that was, but yeah, it's plastic. Shout out to my boy though. You guys definitely need to check him out. So definitely go ahead and peel that off because we need to get that out of the way. Left side of the device, we have our volume rocker button, and we have our Bixby button, which we can actually map to any application that we want, so that's always cool. Bottom of the phone, we have our speaker grill, we have our noise canceling mic, USB Type-C input, and we have a 3.5mm head jack still, which is absolutely amazing to see in 2019, as always. Top of the device, something I didn't mention in the S10e unboxing, if you guys didn't catch that, is we have our noise canceling mic, and we have our TF and SIM card tray. Also, something else I forgot to mention is that this actually does come with a screen protector. Don't know how good it is, but there's still a screen protector on there, so that's always cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and boot up this phone and set it up. Really excited for the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor though. Even if it's going to be slow, I still think it's pretty cool tech, honestly. And yeah, the regular stuff that we see inside of here, the IP68 dust and water resistant, fast charging 2.0. Another thing was we have a 4100 milliamp battery in this device, which I heard is actually really good, so I'm excited to test that out. And we also have that octa-core processor. It's obviously going to be using the newest 855 Snapdragon chip or Exynos, depending what region you're in, but I'm in the US, so we are about that Snapdragon life. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set this up really quick. Be back in a sec. Alright guys, so we boot up the device and I have to say it looks really nice. I put on this Wally wallpaper and I actually transferred my files to the S10 Plus because I am going to be using this phone full time now. I'm going from the S9 Plus to the S10 Plus, so I'm really excited about this. But yeah, first and foremost, a really beautiful display. It does set to 1920 1080p when you boot up your phone, so definitely go to your settings right here, go into display, and then change your resolution to 3040 by 1440 so you guys can get that 3K display. But other than that, it's a gorgeous display. Obviously, the best displays in the game right now, bar none. They are better than iPhones, better than Google's, better than everyone's. They are the best at screens. But as you guys see on the front, I guess the elephant in the room again, we have the front-facing camera right there. We have the little notch cutout or whatever, or I guess you guys can call it the infinity display. But we do have a dual front-facing camera, so it's going to be a 10 megapixel f1.9 aperture, and we also have a 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture. We're going to go in here and give you guys a little tour, I guess. We have the live focus. We also have different photo modes. We have video modes and stuff like that. But yeah, really cool stuff right here. Obviously going to do the full review on this whole device, but so far I'm definitely digging it. I told you the features that are in the Samsung Galaxy S10e and Galaxy S10. Pretty much the same thing inside this device. Obviously everything looks beautiful on this device. I want to do a full in-depth review on this. I want to do a reactions in public as well, and many other videos on this device. But so far, first impressions, really sexy device. Really am digging this device. Also, the size was 6.4 inches. I have huge hands, and this is going to be a very big phone even in my hands, so I absolutely enjoy that. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys did enjoy this video. Also, hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.